What is ethics of care? Have you ever thought about how our relationships shape our moral choices? The ethics of care is a moral theory that dives into this very idea. It focuses on the importance of relationships and interdependence in our lives. This approach highlights empathy, compassion, and responsiveness as key elements in determining what is right or wrong. Unlike traditional ethical theories that often center on individual rights or impersonal laws, the ethics of care emphasizes real-world situations where people relying on one another. It prioritizes the well-being of both caregivers and those receiving care within a network of social relationships. This perspective is especially relevant when we consider how we interact with others in our daily lives. From a liberal viewpoint, the ethics of care serves as a critique of liberal individualism. Liberalism often emphasizes personal freedoms and rights, focusing on the autonomous individual. However, the ethics of care challenges this notion by asserting that we are fundamentally interconnected. Our moral obligations arise from these relationships, not just from abstract principles. This approach suggests that moral decisions should consider the dynamics and connections present in real-world situations. For example, in healthcare, the ethics of care means prioritizing patient-centered care. This approach addresses not only the medical needs of patients but also their emotional and social needs. In education, the ethics of care encourages creating learning environments that respond to the diverse backgrounds and needs of students. It promotes understanding and support among students and teachers, fostering a sense of community. In leadership, this theory advocates for a more empathetic and collaborative approach. It moves away from strict hierarchies and encourages inclusive decision-making processes. Leaders who adopt this perspective are more likely to consider the well-being of their teams and communities. Overall, the ethics of care offers a relational and context-sensitive approach to ethics. It highlights the importance of interpersonal connections and interdependence in moral decision-making. By doing so, it complements and challenges aspects of liberal ideology, inviting us to rethink how we view individualism and our responsibilities to one another.